When your child does not share, do you say these lines? Good children always share. Are you a bad boy or girl that you are not sharing? It's wrong that you are not sharing. We should share with our friends. You never listen to me and you never share. Parents, children's brain does not understand sharing. It's not their fault. The concept is too complex for their brain. So instead, say these lines. I can see it's difficult to share. You can decide which toys you don't want to share. We can keep them inside. It's okay if you don't want to share. Wow, you have a big heart that you just shared. That's great. You always let others share your things. Help children share. Don't push or judge them. Leave a heart in the comment box if it helps.